If you like our video, click the subscribe button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses and training materials, visit us at teachucomp.com. While you can view vendor and customer lists in QuickBooks Online in their respective list pages, you can also create a quick report for a vendor or customer to show detailed transaction data for a selected customer or vendor. To create a vendor or customer quick report in QuickBooks Online, either hover over the Expenses link in the navigation bar and then click the Vendors link in the side menu that appears to open the Vendors page to the right, or hover over the Sales or Invoicing link in the navigation bar and then click the Customers link in the side menu that appears to open the Customer page to the right. Next, click the name of the vendor or customer for whom to create a quick report to show their detail page and their transactions. If needed, click the Transaction List tab at the top of the page to view the selected vendors or customers' transactions. To filter the list of transactions, click the Filter drop-down above the list to show a drop-down menu. Use the Type drop-down in this drop-down menu to choose which transactions to show. Then use the Date drop-down in this drop-down menu to select for which dates to display the selected type of transactions. Then click the Apply button in the drop-down menu to apply the filter to the transaction list. Finally, click the Print List button in the upper right corner of the transaction list to open a printable version of the list as a quick report in a new window. Alternatively, to create a customized transaction detail by account report to view specific transactions for a selected vendor or customer, click the Reports link in the navigation bar to open the Reports page to the right. Click the Standard tab if necessary, and then start typing Transaction Detail by Account into the Find Report by Name search bar. Then click that report name in the result list that appears below the search bar to open it. The report opens with its default settings. To customize it, click the Customize button in the upper right corner of the report to open a Customize Report pane at the right side of the window. Set the desired date range for the report by using the Report Period drop-down in the General section. To show this data by vendor, select Vendor from the Group By drop-down in the Rows/Columns section. Alternatively, to show this data by customer, instead select Customer from the Group By drop-down in the Rows and Columns section. You may need to click the arrow next to the Rows and Columns label to expand it to see your options. To filter the report to only show transactions for a selected vendor or customer, click to expand the Filter section if needed. Then check the Vendor or Customer checkbox as needed, and select the name of the specific vendor or customer from the adjacent drop-down. Then click the Run Report button in the lower right corner of this pane to show the report for the date range and selected vendor or customer. To email, print, or export the report to Excel or as a PDF after running it, click the Email, Print, or Export button in the upper right corner of the report. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. Get ad-free courses at teachucomp.com.